Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger.
Woo! Hey kids, today we're going to go over words that rhyme with each other. Like man and fan. Are you ready? Man rhymes with fan. Hook rhymes with book. Cake rhymes with rake. Dog rhymes with log. Tire roll rhymes with fire. Hot. Well, whoop. A well's what you throw things in, like pennies and stuff, and there's water in the bottom. It goes psh. You can throw a bucket in the well and bring back up water. That's a well. And well rhymes with bell. Ring, 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 ring. King rhymes with ring, like a diamond ring.
Humpty Dumpty.
Why did you sit on top the wall? Humpty Dumpty, you had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty, why did you sit on top the wall? Humpty Dumpty, you're going to have a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men, they couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty said he went there to eat some good food. Humpty Dumpty said he went there to eat some good food. He reached for his plate, then he fall. 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 Poor Humpty Dumpty, 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 poor Humpty Dumpty.
Animals, animals.
Wow, look kids, we have an elephant, a frog, and we have a deer. They all like to move in a different way. And we have a song about that. The elephant stumps all through the town. Stump, stump, stump all through the town. The frog liked to hop all through the town. Hop, hop, hop all through the town. The deer liked to run all through the town. Run, 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 run all through the town. The elephant stumps all through the town. Stump, stump, stump all through the town. The frog liked to hop all through the town. Hop, hop, hop all through the town. The deer likes to run all through the town. Run, 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 run all through the town. Yay!
Mary had a little lamb.
Hello kids. Today we're going to sing Mary Had a Little Lamb. And look, I have a little lamb right here that looks like Mary's lamb. Are you ready? Let's sing it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Doom, 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 doom. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. Doom, 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 doom. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. Doom, 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 doom. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Doom. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. Doom, 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 doom. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger.
Hey everybody, look who we have here today. We have Cosmo the cat. Meow, meow. Cosmo, is that the sound that cats make? Do they go meow, meow, or do they go purr, purr, purr? Cats, we like to go meow, meow, to talk to people. Now with the purr, 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 what does that mean? When we go purr, 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 that means we're happy. Oh, Cosmo the cat. So when you go purr, purr, that means you're happy? Yes, I like rubbing on different things like on my owner. I love it. And the couch, I go purr, purr. And Cosmo the cat, what kind of food do you like to eat? What kind of food I like to eat? Yes, what kind of food do you like to eat? I like to eat. Should I say what I like to eat? I like to eat rice and fish. I like to eat chicken and fish. I like to eat rice and fish. I like to eat chicken and fish. What's your favorite dish, Cosmo? My favorite dish is fish. 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 I love to eat fish every day. Yay! That was some good singing, Cosmo. So, Cosmo, do you like to run up trees? And what do you like to do on your free time? What does cats like to do? Cats like to chase birds, chase squirrels, running up and down trees like this. We're pretty fast. And also, we like to lay around, sleep, and also play with our owners and get back rubs like this. Wow, Cosmo. I'm learning a lot about cats from you. So, what else would you like the people out there, the kids out there, to learn about you? Well, when you see me, throw some fish for me, because I like to eat fish. Whoa, calm down, Cosmo. There's not a fish right here right now. I was just thinking about fish. I love fish. Cosmo, can you spell cat for us? Sure. C-A-T, cat. And can you spell fish? Sure. That's my favorite thing. F-I-S-H, fish. Woo! Yay, give it up for Cosmo.
How many fish and birds do you see?
How many fish are there swimming in the sea? How many fish are there swimming in the sea? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 fish are swimming in the sea. 11 fish are swimming inside the sea. 11 fish are swimming inside the sea. 11 fish are swimming. How many birds are there inside the tree? 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. How many birds you see? I see 7 birds. How many birds you see? I see 7 birds. How many birds you see? I see 7 birds. How many birds you see? I see 7 birds. 11 fish, 7 birds. 11 fish, 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. We have 11 fish. We have 7 birds.
Dinosaurs go roar.
Whoa, look what we have here. We have dinosaurs. Whoa, look at this. A long-necked dinosaur. And look at these dinosaurs. They like lizards, or crocodiles, or alligators. And look at this dinosaur. It has spikes on its back. Whoa. And look, we also have trees and rocks. Wow, this is great. This dinosaur, it has a long neck so it can eat leaves off the tree. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. And also, this dinosaur, if it could reach the leaves, it can eat the leaves off the tree, or it will eat the leaves off the ground. And this dinosaur, it likes to eat fish, and it likes to eat chicken. These are meat eater dinosaurs. Hey, I have an idea. Let's sing a song about counting the dinosaurs and the colors of the dinosaurs, and count everything else that's on the table. All right, are you ready? This is our dinosaur counting and color song. 1, 2, 3, go. How many dinosaurs do we have? How many dinosaurs do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 dinosaurs. How many trees do we have? How many trees do we have? How many trees do we have? We got 2 trees. 1, 2, 2 trees. 1, 2, 2 trees. How many rocks do we have? How many rocks do we have? How many rocks do we have? We got 3 rocks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rocks. We got 1, 2. 2 blue dinosaurs. 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 We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange dinosaurs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange dinosaurs. Yay! Woo! Wow. We counted all of these dinosaurs. Let's count how many dinosaurs do we have again. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dinosaurs. Yay! Woo!
Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger. The alphabet song.
A, B, 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 ba, 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 C, 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 S, 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 C, D, 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 E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 H, 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 I, J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 O, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 U, 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 V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, 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 Z. Those are the alphabets, A, B, C, all the way to Z.
Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger.
Hey friends, look who we have. We have Henry the horse. Say hello, Henry. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Henry, what noise does the horse make? The horse says, neigh, neigh. Yep, the horse do say neigh. Henry, you know what? What? I think you need a new look, Henry. Would you like to have some new hair? Maybe some red hair or something? Maybe I like my black hair, but I'll try anything. I'll try anything. All right, Henry, we got some red hair for you right here. Let's put this on you. Let's see how it goes. Wow. I have red hair now. Yes, Henry, you do have red hair. I can't even see your eyes. Do it look good on me? Kids, does this red hair look good on me? Henry, it looks really good. All right. Or Henry, you know what? We got some blonde hair right here. Would you like to try on this blonde hair? You know what? Let's go with the blonde hair. Get this yellow hair, red hair off of me. Nay. I'll try the blonde hair. Okay. Wow, look at this. Wow, you're looking very stylish, Henry. Thank you. I'm always stylish. Nay. What else do you have? Oh, there go your hair, Henry. Put it back on. There you go. Thank you so much. What else do you have for me? We got these glasses for you, Henry. Let's put these glasses on Henry. Glasses. Put on Henry. Whoop, there you go, Henry. Wow, I feel cooler already. Thanks. No problem, Henry. And also, we have a safari hat for Henry. Let's put on him, boo. Oh, thank you. This is a lot of stuff on my face. I feel like something's about to fall off. Oh, my hair. My hat fell off. Don't worry, Henry. I'll get you a new hat. Look at this. We got Henry a cool looking hat. A ninja hat. Oh, look at you, Henry. You look so cool now. Oh, thank you. Oh, Henry the horse. Henry, how do you spell horse? You spell horse by H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Nay. And Henry, what color are you? I'm brown. I have black hoofs, and I have a white mouth, and I have a red ribbon on my face. Okay, Henry. Henry, would you like to help me sing The Wheels on the Bus? Yes, I would. You know what, Henry? I'll let you do this song by yourself. Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Woo! Yay! Yay, Henry did a good job. Thank you. I've been working on my voice. So kids, remember, horse says neigh. And how do you spell horse? H-O-R-S-E. Spells horse. Yay, give it up for Henry. Good job, Henry.
3 little birds.
There are 3 little birds sitting on my porch. 3 little birds sitting on my porch. There are 3 little birds sitting on my porch. They go tweet, 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 tweet. 3 little birds sitting on my porch. They go tweet, 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 tweet.
Hey little birds, can you sing something for me? Tweet, 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 tweet. Hey little birds, can you sing something for me? Tweet, 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 tweet. Baby bird wants something to eat, so I gave baby bird a couple of seeds. Baby bird wants something to eat, so I gave baby bird a couple of seeds. He said yum yum, tweet tweet tweet. He said yum yum, tweet tweet tweet. Baby bird wants something to eat, so I gave baby bird a couple of seeds. Baby bird wants something to eat, so I gave baby bird a couple of seeds. He said yum yum, tweet tweet tweet.
Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger.
Let's go over our ABCs. Are you ready to say it with me? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Wow, that was great. Let's do it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Now kids, let's say words that go with the letter of the alphabet. Let's start off with A. What words start with A? Yep, apple. Apple starts with A. Apples are crunchy and they're good. An apple is a fruit. Next we have B. What words start with the letter B? That's right, banana. Bananas are also a fruit. They grow on trees and they are the color yellow. Now we're moving on to the letter C. And what words start with C? Cookies, yay! And what else? Candy, woo! The next letter is the letter D. And what word starts with D? I give you a hint. Ruff, 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 ruff. Dog, yep, dog. And now the letter E. And what word starts with E? Elephant. Next we have the letter F. And what word starts with F? Fish. Fish starts with F. Next we have the letter G. G. The word that starts with G is grapes. Grapes taste very good and they can come in colors that are purple, green, and even yellow. And we have the letter H. And H is for house and horse. Neigh, 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 neigh. Now we have coming in the letter I. I is for igloo. Our next letter is the letter J. And J is for jump. And also J is for a jar. You can put pennies in a jar and you can have a cookie jar. Eating cookies. Our next letter is the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Hop, 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 hop. And also a kite. You fly kites when it's really windy outside. Now we have the letter L. L is for lamp and also for lollipops. What's your favorite flavor of lollipops? Mine's is raspberry. Tastes very, very good. Next we have the letter M. M is for mop. And also M is for moon. Our next letter is the letter N. N is for net. You can catch butterflies and other things in a net. And also a nest. And birds lay their eggs in a nest so the baby birds can sleep there and eat there. Our next letter that we have is the letter O. The letter O is for orange, and oranges taste really, really good. Oranges are also a fruit, and they're the color orange. So you have an orange that's a fruit, and you have orange that is a color. Next up is the letter P. P is for parrot. Some parrots can talk because they mimic what humans say, and they also can make any type of noise. Our next letter that we have is the letter Q. Q is for quilt, which is a sheet that have patterns on it. It's a big blanket too. And also Q is for queen. Now we have the letter R. R is for rug. R is for rock. And R is for raccoon. And next up we have the letter S. S is for spiders. Spiders have 8 legs and they make webs. Not all spiders make webs, but most of the spiders make webs. That's where they live and that's where they catch their food. Next we have the letter T. T is for triangle. See this? That's a triangle. Now we have the letter U. U is for umbrella. U is also for unicorn. Next letter we have is the letter V. V is for vase. And you put flowers inside a vase. And we have the letter W. W is for wagon and for watermelon. You put watermelon inside a wagon because watermelons can get very, very big. Our next letter that we have is the letter X. X is for X-ray. X-ray can see inside your body, and also X is for Xbox, the video game system. Next we have the letter Y. Y is for yak, and Y is for the color yellow. And coming in last, the last letter is Z. Z is for zipper, zip, 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 and zebra. A zebra looks like a horse, but it's white and black. And that's all our letters.
Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger.
Who do we have today? Who do we have today? We have a jaguar. That's who's here today. Who do we have today? Who do we have today? We have a whale. Who do we have today? Who do we have today? We have an elephant. Who do we have today? Who do we have today? We have a walrus. Who do we have today? Who do we have today? We have a lamb. Bad, bad. Who do we have today? How many animals do we have up here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals. And which animals live in the ocean or by the ocean? You have walrus and you have whale. The whale is one of the biggest animals inside the ocean. The walrus is also a big animal that lives on the shores of the ocean, and it also likes to go inside the sea. See, both of them have flippers. Flap, 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 flap. Now we have the elephant. Ooh, ooh. You can find the elephant in Asia and also Africa. If you go to your local zoo too, you can find the elephant there. The elephant uses its trunk to drink water and also to eat. It grabs whatever it's eating and put it in its mouth with its trunk. It's the largest land animal. Now we have the jaguar. The jaguar lives in South America. You also find jaguars in your zoo too. Jaguar is an excellent climber and it knows how to run pretty fast too. Here is lamb. Bah, bah. Lambs like to gallop all around the place and play. They stay in a flock with their mom, their dad, and their whole entire family and just walk around eating grass and growing their fur out to make clothes and coats for people. What color is the jaguar? The jaguar is brown. You see it's brown and dark brown spots, and its face is white. Look, it has a brown nose too. Next is the whale. What color is the whale? This whale is blue, a bluish gray, and the bottom of the whale is white. Next we have the elephant. This elephant is gray and white. Now walrus, he has a hat on his head that's red. This is a Christmas hat, like Santa Claus will wear. And the walrus is brown. You see his tusks are long teeth. You can find tusks on elephants and you can find tusks on walrus. And the lamb is white. Man, man. So these are our animal friends. And how many are there? We have 1, which is the lamb, 2, elephant, 3, who is the walrus, 4, who is the whale, 5, who is the jaguar. 5 animals. Yay!
Patty cake, Baker's Man.
This is our nursery rhyme. This is our nursery rhymes. These are our nursery rhymes. Song. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and put it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. For baby and me. For baby and me. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. I said roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Baby and me. Look who we have here. We have a cat that has a hat on. Hey, Mr. Cat in the Hat. Can you say your ABCs? Yes, I can say my ABCs. Can you say them for me? Sure. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, N, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Now I know my ABCs. Now I know my ABCs. Sing along with me. Woo! Yay! I'm so tired from doing that. Whew, that was good though. And how many toes do you have? You have 10 toes. How many fingers do you have? You have 10 fingers. Woo! Give it up for Mr. Cat, who has on a hat. Yes, kids, I love wearing my hat. I love wearing my hat. Can you spell hat? It's spelled H-A-T. Can you spell cat? It's spelled C-A-T. Cat, hat, cat, hat. Everybody loves to wear a hat. Everybody loves to wear a hat. Everybody loves to wear a hat. And I'm a cat who's wearing a hat. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Mr. Cat. Thank you. You did an excellent job there. Excellent job.
Preschool learning time with Tolly the Tiger.
Hey kids, look who came to visit. It's the tiger family. And what noise does a tiger make? Roar, 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 roar. How many tigers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tigers. And the tigers like to dance. The tigers like to dance. Tigers, tigers, the tigers like to dance. Tigers like to dance. Tigers like to dance. The tigers, the tigers, the tigers like to dance. And the tigers like to roar, roar. Tigers like to roar, roar. The tigers, the tigers, the tigers like to roar, roar. Look at this tiger. This tiger is orange and black. Also, this one and this one. And this is what we call a snow tiger, which lives in the northern part of where these tigers live, which is in India and in Asia. Look at these tigers. Which tigers are orange and black? Whoop, whoop, whoop. These tigers are orange and black. And they have white ears. See? Whoop, whoop. How many tigers are right here? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 tigers. And how many tigers is white and black? We have 1 tiger that is white and black. Tigers live in Asia, and you also can find tigers also in your local zoo. So when you go to the zoo, look for the tigers.
There are 4 heads, red and white. There are 4 fish looking so bright. We have 3 camels walking around. We have 3 lambs dancing around. We have 5 fox looking so fine. We have 4 kids dancing in line. We have 5 flowers. We have 5 fish. We have 6 hands with a fork in it. We have 6 elephants. We have 6 socks that are blue. We have 7 flowers that's blue. We have 7 balloons in the sky. We have 7 clouds in the sky. We have 8 owls looking at the scissors cutting. 8 moons, 8 moons. 9 paints, 9 paints. We have the pencils drawing the ball, and it draws 9 balls. And that's how we count, 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 count. Let's count right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count it. Ow, 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 ow.
Preschool learning time with Tolly Tiger.